Thank you very much to our Tanzanian customer for choosing to purchase our EA1000C3 rental LED screens, totaling 36 pieces. This LED screen is made of sturdy and beautiful materials, with excellent design, suitable for various rental scenarios and event needs. Quick locking devices are equipped on both sides, greatly improving installation efficiency and screen flatness, ensuring a more stable and beautiful display effect. In addition, the anti-collision foot design at the bottom of the cabinet effectively protects the edges of the LED module, extends the service life of the product, and reduces the risk of accidental damage,